What's up, my bird watchers? This is episode 3, the bird-a-thon. We're trying to see different kinds of birds. So let's go. Austin, are you ready to get spider webs on you?
What?
Are you ready to get spider webs on you?
Why?
It's going to be a lot.
Okay.
But you're afraid of spiders, I thought.
Who cares?
And they're big, you just know.
What?
They're big spider webs.
Like how big? Okay. Who cares? I always walk through the woods.
Oh, shoe web.
It's going through my front of my shoe right now. Inside it.
It's just hollow.
And we're not at a park, so it's pretty weird.
Here. First sign of animal life.
Yeah. I'll stop that.
Zoom in.
There's deer doo-doo over there, and then there's some more over here. So.
That's bad.
I didn't even show you it.